Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today I will be reviewing this versatile wig that was sent to me from ebonyline.com. So if you'd like to see me review and style and play with this wig, then just stay tuned. But before we begin, I would like for everyone to check out my website, lavidarosastyle.com, where you can find cute accessories like these, and the link will be down below. Also, while you're down there, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So this wig is the CLOUD9 Swiss Lace Vixen wig in the style Deep Spiral 24-inch and in the color T1B Matte Gray. And obviously the biggest draw to this wig is the 4-way parting. So normally how wigs have like just an invisible part going right here, there's an invisible part going all the way down the center and also down the center horizontally. So you basically have 4 sections, and that gives your wig so much more versatility. And I'm going to be playing and trying different styles with this wig at the end of this video. But before, I want to get all the particulars out of the way. There are 4 combs in the front and 2 combs in the back and 2 adjustable straps, and that is so that you can have a good grip on your head. I feel like the combs and the adjustable straps do a pretty good job of keeping the wig in place. I did a lot of, you know, swinging and flipping and twisting and, you know, all types of things you do when you play with wigs, and it pretty much stayed in place the whole time. The wig does have baby hair to play with. I didn't like slick mine down or anything, but they were very useful for many of the styles. There's also lace in the back for when you want to pick your hair up and maybe wear it in a bun. There's lace, I don't know if you call it lace back, but it has lace in the back and also some baby hairs to fall back there and make it look a little bit more realistic. I've never had a gray wig before, so that's why I was really excited to have this one. There's definitely black roots, and then it ombres out into this gray color, which I think is really cute. The curls are like ringlet natural hair curls. The touch of the hair is very nice. It feels soft. It doesn't feel or look plastic. You know, sometimes synthetic wigs can have that plastic look, but it has a very like natural sort of shine. Like I mentioned before, I did a lot of playing around with this wig and I didn't get much shading at all. You will get a little bit of tangling, but not too much to the point where you can't work with it. This wig is not big head friendly because I have it on the last notch and it's still squeezing my head, and I don't even think I have a big head, so definitely not big head friendly. Oh, the wig is 24 inches, so let me show y'all the inches then. So this is the front. It's also layered, so you can see the layers here, and it comes down to like boob length in the front, and then like past bra length almost to my butt in that middle area. And so I'm thinking 24 inches is like, if you pulled it straight, it'd be 24 inches. With curls, it'll shrink up a little bit. But I feel like this is an awesome length, especially to play and do buns and things like that. Yeah, and it's a lot of hair to play and work with, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and grade this wig. I'm gonna give it an A because it pretty much dots all the I's for me, and I definitely like the part. I didn't really have to do much to the part at all, any of the parts. I love the color, I love the parting, I love the versatility, I love the hair itself, I love the curls. It's just everything just came together and fell in place. And also it was the right amount of combs. I'm glad they added a good amount of combs because you do need more security. So now that I've given you my opinion, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all see me play with it a little bit and try a few different styles. that you've seen me play around with the wig and show you different ways you can wear it. I would love to hear your opinion down below. Let me know what you guys think about this wig. Shout out to ebonyline.com for sending me this wig. The link will be down below if you want to get your own. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.